Hello friends, this is Sona Thakur and you are watching Sona Thakur recipe, and for today my recipe is Kadhai chicken. I'll show you step by step this recipe. I have heated my kadhai, added oil, mustard oil and black cardamom. On another side I'll chop my ginger and garlic. Now red chilies and oil. On the other hand I will be adding ginger garlic. Now it's time for onions. I have added. I'll just cook it for 5 to 8 minutes until unless it get transparent. Now I will be adding turmeric powder. Here I am using 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'll stir it. It's releasing the oil. The onions are releasing the oil. Now I'm going to add tomato puree, which I have prepared in mixie. Again, until unless tomato puree cooks, it's releasing the oil. Tomato puree also. We'll cook it for another 1 minute. Now I'm going to add garam masala, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Salt, I will be showing only 1 tablespoon, other than I am adding 2.5 tablespoons. Tomato puree has released the oil. Now I have added coriander powder. 2 tablespoons I am adding. Stir well. Now I will be adding chicken masala. 2 tablespoons. See the color, it's looking so tempting. At last I will be adding cumin powder and mix it well. Now I will be adding little bit of water to make gravy. Stir it. Now I will be adding chicken, my raw chicken. I've washed it. I'm adding to my curry gravy. Now I'll just stir it properly and leave it for 25 to 30 minutes, and after that it will be cooked. See, it's cooked. I hope you will like it. Please do share, subscribe among your friends. Thanks.